loves, how have you been? I hope everybody's doing okay. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe, comment below, tell me what you think. And today we are going to do full glam, and of course, as you see, this is what we're gonna do in the whole video, so stay tuned. And yeah, let's do it. So we're gonna start with primer. We're gonna start with this primer elf, and after primer, then eyebrows. And yeah, so let's start with primer. I'm sorry, I don't have, it's so embarrassing how I don't have like a big mirror. This is what I use, but anyway, I have to manage of what I have. And so I use my hand to apply primer. Oops. Feels like I apply too much, but it's because I don't play with my base. Because if you know, you know. When you fill your base, it's like everything is ruined. So next is applying setting powder in my eyebrows, because I don't want when I apply eye pencil on my eyebrows as in to be so harsh. So that's why I apply setting powder on my face first. And next is brow gel, yeah, to hold those eyebrows in and put them in the place before applying eye pencil. And yeah, so there I'm just trying to make sure that my eyebrows are really tight and in the right direction, so it can be easier for me to apply eye pencil. But I use black mascara as eye pencil, and with that sharp lash. So yeah, drawing my eyebrows, but I don't go hard on my eyebrows because I have thick eyebrows, and I follow their natural shape. And after drawing, then I went in and filled in those empty places so that my eyebrows look perfect. So yeah, time for applying concealer on my eyebrows and correct those small mistakes that I made. And yeah, I used this NYX concealer, but I don't remember which shade was it. But don't worry, I got you. I'm gonna put everything under description. So yeah, under my eyebrows, I prefer to use a light shade, and on top of my eyebrows, I prefer to use my foundation shade, so that I can, as in, have everything blended well with my skin tone. And then apply the leftovers of foundation that I have on my hand, just to make sure that I make eyeshadow base. And after, I apply setting powder on my eye. And next is applying eyeshadow, and I start with dark shade on my eye and blending until I get satisfied. And yeah. And next I went in with these two brown and gray shade. I mixed them together and applied them because I wanted them to look more darker. Time to cut the crease, and I used the same concealer that I used under my eyebrows. And after cutting the crease, I went in apply with the brown powder first on my eye. And as you see, I used NYX brown powder in the shade of mocha. And yeah, so as you see, I'm just blending the powder really well in my crease before I apply the light shade shadow. And later on, I went in with brown and gray and blend everything together because I want them to look so perfect. Okay. OMG, I love what I see. Go. You can't tell me nada. Nada. Okay, next is applying my eyeliner. Aha. Eye pencil. I lied. Hey. And next is mascara. And I'm so in love with this mascara. Like, it's giving as in false lashes while it's my natural lashes. And I will show you the results. Wait and see how they're going to turn out. Come closer. Do you see what I'm talking about? Like, what? Okay, let's move on. Next is applying eyeliner. And me and my eyeliner, like, I love sharp eyeliner. Eyeliner anytime, any day. I'm the eyeliner girl. Like, I don't play with my eyeliner because I know the eyeliner is the foundation of my eyeshadow. When I mess up with my eyeliner, now everything is gone and I can't afford to ruin everything. Okay, that's why I'm so mindful, gently. And yeah, next, I've talked too much. I applied my lashes off camera because I think it's really hard on camera. I don't know why. So time to apply color corrector on my dark spots and my dark circles, and before applying foundation. And next is blending that color corrector before I apply foundation. But I have to make my beauty blender wet first before using it because it's much easier for me to use it when it is wet more than use it when it is plain. And how I do it, I just soak it in hot water and squeeze all the water out of it, and yeah, ready to go. Next is applying this setting spray. Time to apply foundation, and I use the Born This Way foundation in shade of mocha. And then time to apply brush on my chin. I used Milani red lipstick as usual, and yeah, blend it well. next is concealer time. Yeah, so I used L'Oreal foundation, a light shade, and I love this foundation because it's so high pigmented. You don't have to use a lot of product, so yeah, that's why I use it as my concealer. Next is blending and blending and blending that concealer. Okay, we have to blend that concealer until we see that it's well blended into the skin. You see what I'm talking about? Is well blended. So next is contouring my nose and contouring my cheekbones. And obviously my forehead. How can I forget my forehead? Crazy me. Does that? I can't believe that the foundation that I was using, it was Milani foundation dark shade. Was it chestnut, something like that? It's darker, but I don't know why it looks lighter on the camera though. It's so strange. So because I'm extra, I went in second round with my concealer under my eye just to make everything look superb. And blend and blend and blend and blend and blend and blend. Okay? Because we don't love to look cakey and harsh. There's no harsh line here. Okay? Next is setting my under eye, but this setting powder that I'm using, it's already finished, but I can't let it go because I love it so much. Okay? And yeah. So yeah, when I'm setting my under eye, I just went in with less product so I can blend everything good, because I don't want to be cakey, and I think when you go in with a lot of product, that's the result you get. So next setting powder, I used Fit Me Maybelline, and I love it because it's so high pigmented. You don't use too much product, you just have to use less and get the result that you want. Next, I went in with this Revelation bronzer and contouring in my areas that I contoured before, my forehead, my cheekbones, and my nose. So yeah, because of this bronzer is so high pigmented, I just use less product and blend everything. Next, I went in with my setting powder, NYX powder, and used a sponge instead of brush. I think for me, sponge is much better than, but that's my opinion. And yeah, next I went in with my Love It of a blush. I got it from Shein, but it works so beautiful. Beautiful. What? 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 Like, it's giving Dior blush. Can you see that? Oh my god. All right, mom, let's move on. Okay, next, of course, I'm still applying my brush on my cheekbones, of course, my nose as well, because I have to look like a doll, okay, when I step out. And the next brush is from Milani. It's giving highlighter on a low key. You know, that's why I apply it on top of my Love It of one, because I want to look so shimmery bit. And yeah, later on I went in with mascara, applied under my waterline. And yeah, I was trying this TikTok trick. Oh my god, look, can you see my under? Oh, okay. Next, I applied this highlighter from Fenty, and yeah, under my eyebrow, because I want them to look so shining all the way. And later, lip liner. This is from Uganda market. So yeah, you can get it in store here, only in Uganda market. Okay. And I'm not gonna lie, this lip liner is so good. Like, it's so high pigmented. You don't have to force it. Like, I just can't tell you guys how good it is, but it's so good. Let's move on. Next, I applied this lipstick from Shein. By the way, guys, we should not sleep on She Glam. I'm not gonna lie, She Glam nowadays, they have the beautiful products. Like, I'm not even kidding. And then later I applied NYX lip gloss in the bottom of my lips, and applied L'Oreal lip gloss on my dark liner, and mix everything together. And after that, I went in again, second round, with my NYX lip gloss on my bottom lip, and blend everything together. And yeah, if you make it to the end, thank you so much. I would like to appreciate you. And yeah, thank you to be with me, and thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate you guys. I don't take it for granted. Like, for real, I see the love, I see the support. And yeah, this year I'm gonna try my level best to be staying consistent as much as I can. So yeah, I'm not gonna let you down again. Okay, so thank you, and have a blessed day. Ciao.